Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use Photopea as JPG. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, this device, Pia Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. And right here in the center of your screen, you're going to find your project, open from computer, templates, and also install Photopea. So right now, I'm going to click on your project. Once you do that, you're going to be right here in this window. So right here, you can choose a name for your project. Here, you can choose the width, the height, and also the DPI. And right here, as you can see, guys, you can choose a size for your image. So right now, I'm going to choose this size, for example, and then click on Create. Once you're here, go ahead and choose an image. So I'm going to click on File, click on Open, and then I'm going to choose an image from my computer. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Once you add your image, right here in the left, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your image. So once you finish customizing your image, you can save it by going to File. Once you click on File, right here, you're going to find Save, or you can click on Ctrl+S. Here you're going to find Save as PSD, Save More, PSD to storage, or Save PSD or PSB. And here you're going to find Export as. So right here, you're going to find the option to export it and convert it to PNG, to JPG, WebP, PDF, SVG, GIF, MP4. And here you're going to find some more options. So right now, go ahead and click on Export as JPG. And then you're going to be right here. And once you're here, go ahead and click on Save. And then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.